Come on, man. Charlie, highlife, yeah, you can't go wrong with highlife. You can't go wrong with highlife. Oh my goodness. All right, so on my share, your mom na action. Yes, I am Akwaba Eba Adom TV. So and our fame. So we are live on Adom FM. Yeah, Kasasa Brim. We are now. Anope, Yaba Munchaya, Etiawa. Said the Modikai, Enya, and home and Tieka Crano, Abia also on Tertia. A 17 Tio say, Strictly Highlife 2026. Basso. Now, Mobekaya, Strictly Highlife 2025. Now, a serious. You born the role in 2024. A brand new Quaco di Brunia and say, a brave woman, you know. And ye who did die, could share more Silver Star Tower. Now, she said, not a Yasem Kuma. Na mjidi say mwana mo hwe elia no muhu say na manfo di asa odwumadi na se ane ade a na fe ye wi adwumadi no mo say eh say na ade ne ko na ye de na se na venu no timi say che say esukra mayen na se motom bo ase 2026 e baby bi sonko enti ebre no aduru a ye de eye 2026 Strictly Highlife ebre mo me pacho. It's on the 1st of January 2026 midika de no ahwe timu ansa na fe ene de enti abehye mu anopa no the official launch no so no yamaho kwan na ye de eno so ato wanim na enya me nko na ewa ha make us say ye wo eye ye programs director ewa ha no eye yewura Joshua Tigo ewa ha abna pokua ahwene also Mr. Charles now so and also ejiramu edema events and promotions also ewa ha bi and am ya menua na say ampofo eje yeah kokwa na also eti yaba anopay na ye be mo a na to say 8 hour. It's the official launch of a Strictly Highlife 2026 na Miss Emre no ye be call a program director ho na on my bibi kakra ansa na makọ na ase ho na when we talk about highlife there hu hia pa say highlife ni kura ni ye ni entoto na ase ansa na be call kokuro no we dey na kwakufo na do ono so kwakufo na do yeah
be mimi akwesi
my we my background on me Strictly Highlife no be an obi okra this the very first time
okay me da say kwaku na ne wo ho ne say eba no Highlife e wo Ghana any Adom ye brands na as I say 6 and 5 and 6 no yes and can because you are supporting Highlife in many ways. In fact na ya create Highlife Fiesta na every 26th of December bia no ye di eji amanfo ni okrom ha
sure
e wo mu na Adom TV ye create instrument just so Highlife legacy no e mane enwira kra na di nkola ba mu say omo meto Highlife songs. I mean as I'm talking to you na kra na ye prepare na the next edition aba enti e ba na Highlife there ye na ye the custodians of Highlife na ye kan sa na ya hwemu a say 1st of January. Baby Papa be any krom ha. And somewhere last year, 2024 mo
that was last 2 years.
Last 2 years. Eba na say there be I was see a creative bibi na di ma your audience. And your creative Strictly Highlife. The Strictly Highlife say be ya krofo be hu say authentic Highlife music na di bro and an authentic Highlife celebration. And to be say that was the I dream pa na etechire no say ye pese ye bibi na ye di chef na say na ye create no ye can say there be because of say I finish as ya na nipa ne bebre na omo hu left from the right and enti no ye di color white a purity no me can na bia wa kire say be ya ye mama from fie na afina as ya momo in the right way enti ubisa ya na that is the thinking behind Strictly Highlife.
Not just say you no. You never she fita.
Exactly.
Come and say last year. And I say and cry this year.
This year.
And only 25.
Last year, but this
year. Last year, but this year.
And never be next
year. Yeah. You never she fita sana. Ya kwa kujino. Remember Charles now. But before that no. Yama na say ampo for G. Emma bibi kakra. Say na bosti go eka no. Bano Highlife. You say yen no more. Yen no ma papa. Yen fe ni agro. and now also there and you may ujidum as a papa shoes ya na egu so hye kakra sare ade atiro my hu baby obi je oga na studio highlife na my hard life no ho abakwasem kakra.
Okay, nti Jeremy da same say highlife there beka say yen ye de
sure
oman bia wonwom a ode ebo ne bra because highlife like nwom e kan nipa brabo ho na wahwe mu a ye nuanom a omo eka French no fa francophone no saa no nti wo ha omo nwom no suku slide no ene ne nam mu oko South Africa omo so omo kind of songs a omo ebo na oko Brazil memu a omo samba a omo so no omo mfani aga obekọ Jamaica no purely reggae ene ne dancehall ba yen ye de a ye di twa ye fruma no beka say high life if baby ena ba be drew baby ba de ba ko eni kwa say yi ya adwen free so say ye be ma no apepa anasa ayira kra so wo hwe mu high life ankasa ni introduction no ho abakosem kakra na it's just about 2-3 years time na be 100 years ye introduce wo Ghana hanum say a mixture of genres bebre ena yenya high life ni free but yen ye de no a ye tracy free palm wine ni mu a de ba be dru ena ba bi e wo no edu baby na ya ayira I think somewhere in the 50s hono sana yiti mensanum ne ramblers no esa be kan jaso mu a edu baby na fe Ghana fo ada ne bogafo omo ko Germany no omo ko du ho no funk ne calypso no ne wura mu trim na omo de boga kan high life no na abe boga high life but still no yen dia ye nimpa originally no high life empese e beto atwene e kwa akodu baby ana akoto aso che na se e bo na hye e bedu baby ma yankase ye introduce hip life mpo na fe e set na high life no so e ba na ye introduce bibi fufuro trap na e pese na high life no so but de nti adom ya fato ye so ne se high life ne ye de enti sabi ube suno bi mpo a ni kwase ka hye na enniom e wo high life mu ene enigi e de breye no abofo nwom ne de beba mrante de beba but de owaso de tie nwom no no wo ye Ghana ni no high life ni wura na feeling e different anu nti na ya adwense e besum nya koso akaja so mo menchiri maso aba beto because ye beto e ye ntimi ma na nsi ye bre so that's correct
that's fantastic enti onso a wo hwe na wo tie e wo Adom FM so no etiawa ye bekoso a ye famu de se be na high life ni bigina onso wo famu de abaya ne se otitwobo ya no ayeye etutu se e ba na the Australia life ne ba na onso aba begina mu bi na de tie gu so na no venue no ne se de adwumade ne besi akwafa ne ade nyina no CN ede no ebe man na fe wi a abnapoku a wo ha ile ono de Minister of Energy na me hwe Australia life 2025
oh jai
asa baywa we di ye ne niam ni chese said we know ye the high life kakra beto form wa ha ya now de ya bibi kakra but before we do that Charles na wona dwumadie no totoye titiru ya na se bia no esi osre so ye hwe dwumadie ase no medikan ati ho kakra se after Australia High Life 2025 it take place for Silver Star Tower honomo no lot of the patrons na buy no na observation kakra na omre max no na indicate say venue no kra na enye big enough to contain them and now share said the yentimi ambie ni na bom na ebi wo the other side and you will have to watch what's happening on screen here na a hard drink kakra and you be this year hihye ben na ye de egu apono so I betimi aka say an improved version of what we had the previous year.
I want to say first of all no new venue a mudaho flat or ground level so anya there be floor stairs you unya packet now
because no back we say na abrochi fo ye buy we say one so there e bi tete aba so pass so lift here aduma fine na one hwe na ye na hwe we shi obi stairs no okọ kakra no aba
level
oh that's nice
emo so kama emo tre kama nti bebi a obia no wo VIP wo regular bebi a obia no obehu stage so obetumi di asa ama energy akoso bebre abia afiwe ana 26 ya be ye wo no Palms Convention Center La Palm Royal Beach Hotel inside emu to room a ne car park no ne left side no almost see center come up. Probably I see why friend
Palm
Convention
but
Center.
NTRC just say Palms Convention Center.
Yeah.
And now we fi kura na we dey also call La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. We mu pe na we business for no pra.
Wow, do na o tinyum ne.
It's a palm La Palm.
Yes.
It's La Palm.
Say Palm.
Okay. All right. Palms near within La Palm.
Yes. Yeah.
A nice place, very beautiful.
And I share no so. Yeah, the various categories. I have a hontuma in the coming days. Into platinum tables, silver tables, gold tables, and some are regular any doubles no. Into NCBI this information so be to drama.
There be we dey say NCBI room it's as and when on room na because we say eja yen so no yakwe say you touch base with the people more than even though mo na dey see so no and microphone here din komo and komo be brain e be pie mu no and am yi na say dey hu say dey be na one observation so was sitting arrangement we say e be di asade ade but we say na top shot test ni bi bishops bi wa omo petable na nka one ne nkrofo no ne omo ti ona nyema o table so ne ade na edu ba bi na tables no ashot.
I think Jerry
eti e ho no ye hwe this year provision be na moya e betimi ara
Charles Bebem on say I was here acknowledge say last year ni nya challenges kakra but now I understand I will say challenges but because now the first time I hear be the first of its kind. And ti asua ne ma bibri ayem pese be repeat. And ti Charles e ka se be platinum tables, ye be gold, ye be silver ne na sefo no. It is that recognition tin na IS ade no. And ti table bia be wo
6
anipa 6 to sit with it. And but to top platinum nema special be about table so. E bia
na table so be hwam.
E table so be hwam.
Good.
Top silver and also on the package. And I top gold and also the package even a regular phone so one package na say for and to be
regular so nya her
so when DJ but the one who said yeah limited no yeah mpese enti say we obi a we interested I was to turn in them because regular a platinum table say yeah money 100 yeah a gold money 100 and yeah silver so money 100
to bantema
and to turn in them no secure table only family mobile and that's only unam for promoting honamoji money so there are recognition na ye hu say ne mani bianco ye no enti na this an hye we nya to kwan in fact this year there the way I pese ye no e be din say obeba na obekọ na obeka say bibian anko yi e be difficult part
actually say hye guapon so a bibia de na ko pepe
I'm telling you
all right it abusua common na no the Palms Convention Center La Palm Royal Beach Hotel, La. A bed the Papa Streetly Highlife 2026, and it's on the 1st of January 2026. We the official party.
Exactly.
So you need to start the year on a good note. Okay, share with us.
Feedback means so feedback back when you say nipa no be brain after say you pon them too much. I say
yes.
First January no you pon be around 2 a.m. ho baby. And I say even 1 a.m. or so. Na until this year no you shall say 8. But you be pon be 4 a.m.
Wow. You be jina mu ache. Yeah. Because we say ayana edu sa brain na enye nipa be brain na one person say who point terms are na fe this was some plans. You know to me jina mu a go plan watch na. I think say a good plan.
Apart from one more be obefa baby and son or.
Yeah. I got it. It's
and they were hideouts as well. But to
my goodness. It's when I just say you need to be at a Streetly Highlife 2026.
Adom FM Streetly Highlife 2026 1st January. DJ and the Dusty and the DJ Billy Ocean Ebeka Batrimu Senyumeno Rhythm Nibede Boko Eboso